What up, people, and welcome back to another segment of remote job opportunity where we'll make reviews about companies currently hiring worldwide. So, if you are looking for a remote job opportunity, be it in tech, customer service, this is the right channel for you. Or if you are looking for a cell phone job or writing jobs where you do not need any kind of experience at all, this is the right channel for you. So make sure to like, subscribe and turn on post notification so that you will be among the first to see my videos every Sunday when I upload them. Without any further ado, let us go to review the companies that I have for you guys today. In today's video, I will be reviewing two companies. I will make sure to state their names, the role they want to hire in, their requirements to qualify for the role, and of course the benefits such as salary among others. So make sure to see this video until the end. Before I proceed, kindly note that I am not a financial expert and this video is just for educational purpose only. Okay, with that being said, let us go into the content. The first company we are looking at is known as DeFi Master. They are a company that is about finance. They teach customers how to leverage their finance to grow their capital, and they are looking for a DeFi analyst and educator for a long-time employment. Lest I forget, the link to check out this company will be in the video description, so make sure to check it out. So what is going to be your role as a DeFi analyst and educator? The number one, you are to lead 10 or more hours long sections per week, teaching DeFi concepts from beginner to advanced students. Take responsibility, support and attack the success approximately 400 students per 6 months. Explain complex DeFi and crypto concepts in a LEL5 manner. I don't know how to pronounce that, sorry. The number 4 of what you are expected to do is to create research report of various crypto projects. Share your knowledge of DeFi and crypto projects with the community. Write 2 short articles per week about DeFi tools, project ecosystem and news. Take one-on-one course with your customer to help them learn and succeed in DeFi. Perform trading, technical and on-chain analysis to evaluate investment and identify trading opportunities. Now, these are all the things that you are expected to know. So this is the requirement. The requirement must be able to work EST time zone, experience leading education initiative program, etc. Experienced in fast-paced environment, strong exposure in DeFi community and social media presence, must be a user of DeFi, comprehensive understanding of the crypto blockchain space, excellent interpersonal skills, excellent emotional intelligence, excellent written and verbal communication skills in English, and the ability to discuss and explain technical concepts, solutions, and architectures in a simplified manner. Extreme open-mindedness to new ideas with a mindset of continuous learning. Now, these are your benefits. What the company will offer you if you are employed on this role. The first is a competitive salary. The second, full-time per hour a week, unlimited PTO, flexible work schedule, team off-sites, fully remote with a very supportive team. You have the ability to work from anywhere in the world, be it in Africa, Asia, Europe, anywhere you are in the world, you can apply for this role. Alright, this is a vital information which you must adhere to, and it says that please respond with 100% of the following if you wish to be considered for this opportunity. Number 1 is your resume, CV, cover letter, and your LinkedIn profile URL, your website, the link to your LinkedIn profile. Alright then, So let me click on the apply button to see what we have there for the sake of this video. The second complaint we are looking at is what you do not want to miss, because the location to apply for this job specifically said Africa among others, so make sure to listen good. This company name is called Silverfield. To read extensively about this company, please visit the link in the video description. Now, Silverfin want to hire a remote Ruby engineer. The requirement to apply for this job is for you to have at least 2 years of experience working with Ruby, or 1 year of experience with Ruby and 3 years in one or more other programming languages. Your work hours have some overlap with EU business hour. Will require your local time zone to be within CET minus 3 hours. Alright, you can communicate clearly in English both in writing and verbally, and these are the benefits you are going to enjoy if you are employed to work on this company. Distributed team, paid time off, 4-day work week, company retreats, learning budget, mental wellness budget, profit sharing, equity compensation, no politics at work. We hire old and young. Now the salary and compensation is a range of £800 to £120,000 a year. Alright, the link to apply for this job is in the video description, so make sure to check it out. Alright guys, this is all I have for you guys today. Join me next Sunday as I am going to review another company which is currently hiring remotely worldwide. And until then, goodbye.